Cove's Cave. Hey cavers, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a different video. So I'm going to be reviewing some toys. Here's the first. I have some Smashers toys here. And I think there will be another one maybe. So these are cool, I think. So let's smash it open. Oh, the prize is way over here. Okay. So we got this mosquito, which is honestly kind of gross. I think it's a pencil topper. And that's cool. And then you can actually fix up the egg and then smash it again. But I'm not going to do that because it takes a while. So, but if you do get these, you can do that. And all right, now let's see what's in this one. Come on. Oh, all right, we got icy pterodactyl. That's cool. All right, now I like these. They're fun. It's cool to collect. All right, let's see what other ones that you can get. So it's a pamphlet here. So I'll give you a second to look at that. So we got that one, the Sub-Zero mosquito, the white one, the white and blue one, and a polar dactyl, the blue polar dactyl. So you can try and collect them all. And that's nice. And I give it a 5 out of 10, or actually no, 7 out of 10. Wait, I hear something. What is that? Something's coming. Oh, it's another prize. Cool. Well, oh, surprise animal erasers. Cool. All right, let's open it up. Ooh, there's more than one. Cool. So we got, ooh, there's 4. That's a good deal. So we got, I think this is what is this? Dolphin, maybe? A squid, a shark, and a seahorse. That's cool. So like since back to school just started, I guess you could bring these to school and use them as erasers. And then at recess, I guess you could play with them, I guess. So it includes 4. I want that chicken one. Oh, you can get dinos or gorilla. That's cool. So I'll give that 6 out of 10. Not that much. Hope you enjoy the video, and I have some upcoming videos coming soon. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, because that helps me out. Tell your friends about this channel if you want to, and remember, subscribing is free, and if you want to, you can always unsubscribe. All right, cavers. Goodbye.